Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video we are going to discuss the short answers of HTML and CSS part 1. Here total 50 questions are there. This may contain 1 or 2 marks. So let's begin the answers. At first, the full form of HTML. Everyone know it. Hypertext Markup Language. Who developed HTML? Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. What are the major divisions of web development? Front end and back end. Full form of CSS, cascading style sheet. It is the language used to add functionality to a web page. JavaScript. It is the language used to develop web pages. HTML. It is the language used to design web pages. CSS. Name some scripting languages. DHTML, XML, HTML along with HTML. Also you have to know the full form. DHTML stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, and HTML stands for Standard Generalized Markup Language. What is the latest version of HTML? HTML5. Name two types of HTML editor. They are text editor and what you see is what you get editor. One text editor, it is Notepad. One what you see is what you get editor. You can write Amaya or either Google Web Designer or Adobe Dreamweaver. Two types of tag or element, it is container and empty. Container tag contain both on and off tag. Empty tag contain only on tag, no off. List any two empty tag, HRBR. If asked list any two container tag, you can write bracket B, bracket close, then write something B close. Also you can give U inside the bracket, so write something U close. This will be container tag. Container tag contain both on and off tag. It provide additional information about the HTML document. It is attribute, not document, element. What are the two sections of HTML document? Head and body. Which indicate the beginning of HTML document? It is HTML tag. What indicate the end of HTML document? It close HTML. What is the use of title tag? It is used to assign title to the HTML document. What is the use of doc type declaration? It specify that the document is written in HTML5. What element is called as root element as in an HTML document? It is HTML element inside bracket. What are the extension of HTML document? What is the extension of HTML document? It is .html or .htm. Name one web browser. Google Chrome. Also you can write Mozilla Firefox or Safari. What is the use of heading tag? It is used to define the hierarchy of the web page. It is used to draw attention of the reader. How many heading levels are available? 6. What is the largest? H1. What is the smallest? It is H6. By mistakenly I have written here H2. Then which tag indicate which tag is used to create a paragraph in HTML? It's P tag. What is the use of BR tag? It is used to add a new line. BR stands for break line. What is the use of HR tag? It is used to draw a horizontal line across the web pages. What are the attributes of HR? Size, color, width, no shade and align. Size, it defined the thickness. Color, it defined the color. Wide, it defined the length of the line. No shade, it removed the shading from the line, and align, it defined the position of the line. What is the use of comment tag? It used to write note about the code and it's ignored by the browser. For example, we can write this way, bracket exclamatory sign 2 days, write the comment whatever you want to write, and for closing again 2 days and bracket close. What is the use of formatting tag? It is used to give appearance and look to the text, and by using formatting we can make the text bold, italic or underline. Two type of formatting tag, it's physical and logical. What is physical? It's just change the appearance of the text. For example, B tag used to make the text bold. And logical, it render the text according to its meaning. Like while we are creating a paragraph about some topic, for example pollution, then whatever are the factors of pollution, that we can display in by using strong tag. What is the use of mark tag? It is used to highlight the text. Use of CSS, It is used to control the style of a web page. Two parts of CSS: selector and declaration. What are the things that contain inside declaration? These are property and value. What are the different type of CSS? Inline, internal and external. Inline we use when we have to define the CSS to a singular HTML element. Internal we use when we have to define the style for the whole web page, and external we use when we have to define the style for multiple web pages. What is a tag? A tag indicates the opening and ending of an HTML element, and tag are written inside angular brackets. Some common CSS property, these are like color, background color, border, text align, padding, margin. These are used by most of the HTML selectors. What is the use of align tag in align attribute in p tag? It's used to set the position of the text in a paragraph. Different values of align: it's left, right, center and justify. What are the languages used for front-end development? It is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We can also use some other languages, but these are the main one. And for backend we can use PHP, Python, JavaScript, MySQL, NoSQL, and there are so many. It depends on the user's interest and the kind of the project. What are the different part of HTML element? We will have starting tag, attribute, content and end tag. These are the part of an HTML element. So these are some short questions which may comes for 1 mark. There might be more questions. If you get any other question like that from this part, you can write in comment section so that other student will also get help. We will discuss long questions for 2 and 3 marks in another video. I think I already discussed. Again we will repeat. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Take care and bye.